So one of the questions we were asked a lot is, how do I get SmartTub, or what do I do with it? First of all, you have to go to your app store on your phone. Let's download the app. Simple search SmartTub. Comes up, Jacuzzi SmartTub. Download it. Obviously open it. So then you would sign up. Put an email, your email in, your password of your choice, confirm your password, first name and your last name, and agree to the terms. Obviously you can read through the terms and conditions if you wish. So once you put all your details in and pick your passwords, whatever you're using, you will get sign up, verify your email. So you have to go back to your emails and verify. So then you come to the next pair with your hot tub. So if your hot tub has a barcode on it, which would be the 4 series, the J400 series, or if it's 2 series or 3 series, you will have to type in the serial number of your hot tub. Your serial number, if we have fitted it, we will be able to provide you with it. So you basically type in your serial number and then it will put you on the SmartTub. Now it does take about 2 to 3 days for Jacuzzi to verify and pair up your hot tub with your SmartTub, but once that's done, all the settings and SmartTub will be available to you.